Ascension. What is ascension? Ascension is basically a change in frequency and a change in focus of consciousness. Your physical body, emotions, thoughts, and spirit are all made of energy, blended in ways that make you unique in all the universe. Because the energy you are has frequency, you can change it. As you raise the rate of the lowest frequency energy in your physical body, it becomes less dense and incorporates energy of ever higher frequency. As it does, you will see things and think things that were not possible before. You will become a fifth dimensional being operating on the fifth dimension, working with other fifth dimensional beings. The low frequency stuff of fear and limitation will fall away, and you will live in a state of what you would today call ecstasy, at one with your spirit and with the spirit of everyone else. After ascension, a glimpse of what you can expect. A part of you, your spirit, is already on the fifth dimension. The rest of you is about to catch up. Life on the fifth dimension is very different from what you experience now. Space, time, obstructions, and limitations play a large part in your life today. That will not be the case in fifth dimension. In light body, you will know who you really are, a pure loving being united with all other beings as part of the source, but still sufficiently individuated to be able to stay to another being. We are both the source at higher frequencies. Concepts like we and both are meaningless. You will know who you are in terms of your incarnations across time, what you are learning from each, and how each is a bold and daring mission through which the source learns more about itself. As a spirit, you automatically broadcast what you learn through all frequency bands, so that your discoveries can be enjoyed through direct cognition. That's why each tiny detail of your life is so important. You are a discoverer and explorer for the entire universe. In fifth dimension, you will be a master of creation. Your thoughts will be instantly manifested as objects, music, art, and other exquisite forms to be enjoyed by other fifth dimensional beings. The textures, colors, sounds, and materials you will have at your disposal will be literally unlimited. If you are musically inclined, you will be able to create an organ with a range of and depth of tone beyond anything on the physical plane, because it does not work by moving air about but by amplifying your thoughts and emotions. If you are artistically inclined, the colors available to you will not be limited to pigments which reflect and absorb the visible light. You will paint with light itself, impressing your vision directly onto the multi-dimensional space that you create. You will create your own place to live as a meeting point of your fifth dimensional friends, a place that is very bit as real as your physical plane home. The only difference is that you can redecorate it with a thought and change the view by your intent. You will be able to have a lot of fun trying on different body types. At frequency, your body is a pure thought projection, but again, every bit as real to you as your physical body is now. You will be able to project the body of one of your favorite incarnation of either sex. You will make love with infinitely more sensation than with physical bodies. You will even be able to project an off-planet body. What you can do will be limited only by what you want to do and what brings you joy. The most significant difference is that being free of any fear-based frequencies, you express the pure unconditional love of the source. There will be no barrier between you and the source, and the indescribable ecstasy that comes with that. Watch the rest of the Ascension series for more. We convey our sincere thanks to the Facebook page for providing this Ascension information. We also convey our gratitude to Universe for providing chance to share this wisdom. We convey our heartfelt gratitude to all of you attended this session.